Hi guys, Google just announced its Pixel 6a, the successor to the Pixel 5a from last year. They also announced a new Pixel Buds Pro, a Pixel Watch, and a Pixel tablet. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates. And drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Pixel 6a was just announced as the successor to the Pixel 5a from last year with a starting price of $449 in the US. That puts it directly up against the Galaxy A53 and the iPhone SE 2022. So for that price, you're getting the iconic Pixel 6 design with the bold camera visor separating the two-tone color finish on the back. The visor houses one 12-megapixel main camera and another 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. One interesting thing about the Pixel 6a is it's gonna use the same Titan M2 security chip as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. That'll make it one of the most secure smartphones out there. And just like the iPhone SE3 that uses the latest flagship chipset from Apple, the Pixel 6a is also gonna use the flagship Google Tensor chip that's on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So we can expect some really impressive performance for the price. Google also revealed its Pixel Watch, and it's a smartwatch with a circular dome design. It looks really good and has a tactile crown for navigating the UI. The watch is gonna run Google's latest Wear OS software and will have a lot of AI features to improve the smartwatch experience. Google also revealed its next generation Pixel Buds, the Pixel Buds Pro. It's gonna be powered by a custom-made audio chip from Google to improve the overall audio experience. It's also gonna be the first wireless earbuds from Google to support active noise cancellation. And finally, Google revealed its contender for the tablet market, the Pixel tablet. There isn't much information about the tablet because it's gonna be released much later in the year. But Google confirmed it's also gonna be powered by its Tensor chip. So it's gonna complement the Google ecosystem and work seamlessly with other Pixel devices like the Galaxy ecosystem and Apple's ecosystem. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.